Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Math class with Teacher Gilda. In math, properties demonstrate general rules that are used in calculations. One of the most commonly used properties in day-to-day math is the associative property of addition. Boys and girls, at the end of this lesson, you all should be able to explain the associative property of addition. What is the associative property of addition? The associative property indicates that the grouping of numbers does not matter. By grouping, we simply mean where the parentheses are placed. These red markings here are what we call parentheses. Notice how the order of the numbers did not change. 2, 3, 4, and over here we also have 2, 3, 4. The associative property deals with changing groups, and we indicate those groups by using parentheses. You don't change the order, you just change the groups. How does the associative property of addition works? Well, here, boys and girls, we have parentheses 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 2 plus parentheses 3 plus 4. We always do what is inside the parentheses first. So over here, we have 2 plus 3 inside the parentheses, so we solve that first. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And then we bring down the plus 4. And so we say 5 plus 4 equals 9. Now let's go over the other side. We have 2 plus parentheses 3 plus 4. If you notice, 3 plus 4 is what is inside the parentheses, so we do that first. 3 plus 4 gives us 7. Then we bring down the 2 plus, and 2 plus 7 equals 9. So we notice over here gives us 9, and over here gives us 9. So, boys and girls, we get the same answer. And that is because we had different groupings. A general rule for associative property of addition is parentheses A plus B plus C is equals to A plus parentheses B plus C. What this means, boys and girls, that you can replace those letters with numbers, and it does not matter how you group those numbers, you will get the same sum. You will get the same answer. Let's look at an example. Let's look at example A first. In A, we have 11 plus 20 plus 8 equals 11 plus 20 plus 8. If you notice, boys and girls, we have different groupings. Over here, 11 and 20 are inside the parentheses, and over here we have 20 plus 8. Remember, the order of the numbers will not change. We do not switch up the order. They are written the same way. 11, 28. 11, 28. Only the grouping changes. And how do we show groupings? We use parentheses. So let's solve. Remember, we work out what is inside the parentheses first. So let's do this side first. 11 plus 20 will give us 31. Then we bring down the plus 8 and we say 31 plus 8 will give us 39. Now we go over the next side. We work what is inside the parentheses first, and we notice 20 plus 8 is inside the parentheses, and so we solve that, and that will give us 28. We bring down the 11 plus, and 11 plus 28 will give us 39. And so there we have it, boys and girls. 39 is equals to 39. Let's look at example B. We go to bigger numbers. You all just did addition last week, and now you know how to add bigger numbers. So when you do these, you will need to use your margins so that you can solve the sum of bigger numbers. So here we have in parentheses 56 plus 38. We solve that first, and that will give us 94. 94 plus 72 will give us 166. We go to the next side, and now we have 56 plus, and inside the parentheses, we have 38 plus 72. We solve what is inside the parentheses first, and 38 plus 72 will give us 110. And then we bring down the 56 plus our 110, and we get 166. And there you have it, boys and girls, the associative property of addition. Now I want you to do the following in your learning package for today. Very, very easy, boys and girls. For today, all you will be doing, you will write the letter on the blank line to match the equations. So you will not be drawing any lines, boys and girls. You will be writing the letter. You will be writing the letter that matches. Okay, so here we have parentheses 3 plus 5 plus 7. So we go over here and we look for an equation that will match that. Oh, here, boys and girls, here we have 3 plus 5 plus 7, and we have the 5 plus 7 in parentheses. Doesn't this look almost like this? Yes, all that changes is the grouping. We will not draw a line. We will write the letter. We will write the letter D on the blank line. And there you go, boys and girls. Thank you all for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.